Here are 5 tips to bring that sparkle back to your bath. For a homemade bath cleaner, dilute equal parts white vinegar and water and use a spray bottle to apply all over your bath. Leave the solution to work for 15 minutes, then wipe away with a soft, non-abrasive cloth. Sprinkle the bath with baking soda and spray on the white vinegar and water solution. Allow the mixture to bubble for a few minutes and then scrub with a sponge until a paste forms. Leave the paste for 15 minutes, then wipe away and rinse clean. Baking soda is ideal for unclogging the drain too. Simply apply to the plug hole and add some white vinegar. Leave the mixture until it's finished reacting, then rinse for a clean, odour-free drain. For limescale and hard water stains, hold a paper towel or some toilet roll to the affected area and soak in white vinegar. Leave for a couple of hours, then remove the paper and scrub down with the baking soda and vinegar mixture. Then rinse and buff with a dry cloth. Sometimes the best method is prevention. A quick rinse each time you use your bath can help reduce the build-up of soap scum and grime, meaning less time spent deep cleaning.